Hello, this is Chandra here from Cosmic Bills, Sydney, Australia. In this demo video, we'll demonstrate how Cosmic Bills, the scanning application, scans bills with multiple line items, which are complex line items, and able to sync it to QuickBooks Online, Australian version. And at this moment, you are looking at Cosmic Bills homepage, and we click on the icon there, and we start to create an account and scanning the bills. So we need to create an account. We need to have a username. So that's we need sorry, we just need to create new account. Let's go on to here, username, and email. .com, and the country, the phone number, and let's see, register. Okay, we have a code coming onto my Gmail, and that's it. And we need to pick this code into and post it in here. And now we need to create let's see if we fix it up. Oh, so got it wrong. 2, let's see, 2. Okay, so we log in. Now we create the username, we create the password, just starts to log in. We start to log in now. It has to be capital. Two. So now we connect to the QBO account. We select the company, and I'm selecting the, that particular data file. Confirm and connect. So it takes a few seconds to connect, even though there is no movement here. Should connect. Okay, it's good. So we now start to scanning the bills. So it's picking up the suppliers from my QBO account, and it has picked up those suppliers there. We need to map it to a chart of accounts with the cost that we like to put it to each of those suppliers. So we, in this case, we'll just put it to cost of sales, all of them, and apply. So we have done that. Now it's time to upload documents, and so I've got a lot of PDFs here. There are also all sorts, all types of it. But let's see. I'm just going to pick up at least if we can upload or drag. We don't have the email upload at this moment, so I think let's do one more and open. So we've got 20 PDFs here that we just upload randomly here, I can see. And let's start scanning. So the time in my PC is 12:08 p.m. We are scanning 20 PDFs. the Cosmic Builds, we do not have any person at the back end or to able to go there and fix up things, all done through the application itself. It does not get shared anywhere in India or any other country. So what you see is what's happening now. That's time is 12:08 p.m. It's 12:09. It's about 1 minute. So it's 12:09 still, and almost there. Okay, so it took 1 minute almost to pick up those 20 bills. Now in this screen, we need to able to view this properly. We need to go to expand mode and just click on the 3-line menu there. It gets extended. So here we have the ability to review and approve each of these. So what has happened? They have gone to cost of sales. I think most of, yes, so it's all gone to cost of sales. And here we still have the ability to go and change it. We can do a few things here now. So we got RCBO MOD6, the description here, and let's look at the actual PDF, what it looks like. We click here to, there you go. So we got sort of almost there, RCBO 15, there was 60 and all that. So it looks okay. So it's picked up all good. So similarly, you can go and check each of them. I have tried this, so it all looks okay. I mean, you can go and look each of them if you want to. Now we have in this, suppose you find the description is not fully correct in what your supplier has sent you. So we can now edit these and fix it. So long body here, well, I'm just going to put there new for this purpose, new, old, just now editing the thing. We also can now change the quantity and rate. So we just put there 1 and that's it. So it has changed and saved. So we have now fixed the description, new, other one is old. Similarly, you can go and do all of them if you wish now. Also, we have a button here to remove this this line item. Let's see, we click on that. Are you sure I want to remove this record? Say yes. So we'll remove it, 90. So that's gone. Okay. So they look to be all right. Now we are ready to send it to QBO. We click here, all, and post. So we come into the posting screen. In here, in this screen, you can't edit or change it to any chart of accounts, but you can send a particular PDF back to the process tree, and in case you've changed your mind and want to change the account description, etc. So we click here. Are you sure I want to send the selected record back to the review again? Say yes. So it has gone back for review. If I go back here, so it's come back here. and we are happy with it. So we'll just go back here, and so we got it here. Okay, so we got that back here again, I think. Yep. And now that we have all good, and we want to post it to QBO, let's click here. We need to click one full and post to QBO. So we're posting to QBO. All successful. Okay, so let's look at that, all those, well, few of them in QBO account. We do have a history of what we are posting here, which is another section that we're going to get more information in the view of this. So now let's look at what has gone into QBO account. If I can just log into my QBO account, just so we need to click on this. So this was Cosmic Bills demo and expenses, and so you can see there's a whole bunch of things we have done. And today is 7th of November. The dates are 7th of November. So it's all gone in. Let me just click on this. See what's happening here. Okay, there you go. So it has gone in, and it has got all those items here individually done. Cost of sales, all done. Okay, so thank you very much for to watch this video. Look forward to see you in our next video. Thank you for your time.